Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to send an ACH payment to another bank at Bank of America in 2025. If you've ever needed to transfer money securely and efficiently, this is the guide for you. ACH payments are a fantastic way to handle bills, refunds, or even splitting costs with friends, and with Bank of America's updated interface, it's simpler than ever. First things first, make sure you have a Bank of America account set up with online banking access. You'll need your login details, the recipient's bank information, and the amount you want to send. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Bank of America account through their website or mobile app. Use your username and password, and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. It's a must in 2025. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. Look for the option labeled ACH Transfer or External Transfer. This is where the magic happens. Step 3. Select Send Money and choose ACH as your transfer method. You'll need to enter the recipient's details, like their bank's routing number and account number. Double-check these to avoid any delays or errors. Step 4. Input the amount you're sending and set a transfer date. Bank of America allows you to schedule payments for future dates, which is perfect for bill payments. Step 5. Review everything carefully. Check for any fees. Typically, ACH transfers are low cost or free, and confirm the details. Hit Submit to process the payment. And you're done. The transfer should process within 1 to 3 business days, depending on the banks involved. A few quick tips. Always verify recipient info to prevent fraud. Keep an eye on your account balance, and save transfers for future use if you send money regularly. There you have it. Sending an ACH payment is straightforward and secure. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.